What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital, and we are live. How's everybody doing this morning? Give me 1 second. I need to pull up the chat. I've got some very interesting stuff to share with you guys. I actually found some CBD. This is CBD nectar, so we're gonna test it out in a little bit. Someone said, "Oh, you should try CBD," so sure, why not? And then what else do we got? Oh, I forgot my coffee, of course, but we've got the tea. And yeah, it's a little gloomy here. But how is everybody doing this morning? Good morning, Remy Red. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Andrew. Yes, sir, right on time. I'm usually here 5 minutes before, but yeah, I've been trying to be super consistent recently. Sad ACB's going down. Pullback's kind of expected. Morning, morning, morning. Hit that like button, guys. I forgot to ask for likes and stuff. It's been a little while. Good morning, Yolanda. Yeah, we're seeing kind of a red day today, but it's kind of expected after that. Wow, we're seeing a heavy red day. We're basically losing all those gains. Let's take a quick look. Pretty much every sector in the red. In just a couple seconds, I'm gonna post the link, or I'm gonna post this link to the stream in our Discord group. But first, I want to just check in on everything and see what's up. IGNG dip. IGNG's been the talk of the town. Caliterra Therapeutics. This was one that was brought to my attention like just a day or two ago. Man, it's been breaking out. Cali's been going on a nice run recently. MedMen's up 12%. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. We're up to 464 already. What's the news out for MedMen, though? We'll have to do our research and figure out what's moving MedMen today. Let's take a quick look. Who knows? What? US Aurora is down 10%. I don't see that. 4.46% here in Canada. We're down. I am all red, getting screwed left and right. MedMen got a $250 million investment. Supreme Cannabis to introduce premium cannabis oils in April. Gotham to invest $250 million into MedMen. Great news, guys. We talked about MedMen when MedMen was treading water down around, where were we? 360? And everybody was like kind of cautious on it, not too sure what's going to happen, but it's nice to see MedMen gapping up on that $250 million investment. I still want to see, like, it's nice to see that MedMen's above the previous highs that we were trying to break, which was right around 430, 440. But I would still like to see MedMen push above $5. That would leave us room to break out. So that's pretty cool. ACB is currently down 491 US. Check out that article. They vote on banks being able to deal with MJ money. All stocks will pop if they approve it. Feel free to send the link. I'll definitely take a look. It's now time for me to take a sip of tea. Sorry guys, I didn't even have any coffee yet this morning or anything. It's been a rough morning. Not really a rough morning. I just randomly woke up before my alarm. Where's DG Stocks? Okay, we're going to go into our Discord group here, guys. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who joined the group. It's ridiculous. We're at like 320 members now. When I started this group, I did not expect to have so many people. So we're growing. It's awesome. I love it. Thank you guys. Give me 2 seconds. Just going to post a link to our stream within the group. I hope this doesn't echo. It could. We'll turn the sound off. Make sure to hit that like button, guys, right there. Oh, let's see what we got here. Hexo, where do you think the bottom is on Aurora on the American side? Good morning, everyone. Okay, what's this? Oh, yeah, bill to vote. So we'll take a look at that. ACB is currently down 491 US. Medman is suing the state of Florida too, so this investment is a great surprise. If that's the same article, which it looks like it is, we'll take a look. What's going on, Doug? Thank you for the thumbs up. You gonna make more voice text channels in Discord or what, Aaron? When I get around to it. Sorry, I just I'm not that Discord savvy, but what kind of stuff do you want to see in Discord? Like a specific channel for specific topics, I'm guessing. Okay. Feel free to direct message me in Discord right here. It actually logs me in as Departures Capital. That's cool. Okay, so. All right. See you guys. Okay. I was just about to ask the same question. That was a great suggestions, guys. And just let me know what kind of other channels you want. Like specific channels. Just if you could, please. Sorry. Send me a message on Discord. I'll turn the music down. Send me a message on Discord. What channels you want me to create, and I'll take a look at that later today. Does it got a bunch of stuff to do? Okay, so we'll take a look at this first. Bill to protect banks that work with the cannabis industry gets a vote in Congress next week. The House Financial Services Committee will vote next Tuesday on a bipartisan bill that would protect banks that service businesses in the cannabis industry from being penalized by federal regulators. More than a quarter of the House is in support of the Secure and Fair Enforcement Banking Act. This bill was formally filed earlier this month. Sorry, its chief sponsors are Reps Ed Perlmutter, Denny Heck, Steve Stivers, and Warren Davidson. There are 138 compensers of the bill. Well, that's good. I mean, there's reform in the banking industry. It's going to help all these companies get financing. How much money are you investing into MedMen today, Aaron? I'm not investing any more into MedMen today, but I think I've got about, I want to say at least 1,000 shares. I don't know. I bought it I bought MedMen 3 different times. I've got between 1,000 to 1,500 shares of MedMen. Because I sold a chunk of Aphria and bought MedMen and Suniva. Let's see what else is going on. Isodeal, Aurora Cannabis, one of the biggest decliners. Isodeal didn't manage to hold on to most of their gains. Suniva's in the red again, but still holding on to $5. Alkaline water. You know how I feel about alkaline water, guys. Keep on going. Tilts down a bit. I think the comments are delayed again. MedMen's chart is extremely typical. See how it's tightening. Yeah, we'll take a quick look at MedMen in a sec. Crops holding on to its gains. That's what I like to see. What else we got here? Kush Bottles, Delta 9, Flower 1, Curon Life Sciences, Yield Growth. IIPR setting new highs again. Holy smokes. Yeah, Cali Therapeutics and MedMen, 2 biggest gainers on the day. Yo, what's up, boy? You trash. I love those kind of comments. Yeah, I just talk about it like I own the whole joint. So, guys, first thing I'm gonna do is, our daily routine. Scooter Magooter, what's going on? We're going to post a link to the Discord group in the chat. Anybody who didn't join DG Stocks, you came just at the right time. Anybody who didn't join our Discord group yet, hit that link, hit the like button, join the Discord group, and I've got something very interesting for you guys today. We are going to be trying, these CBDs. Although they're see-through because it's green, but I'm going to try some CBDs, see if they have any effect, calming effect. It's supposed to have a calming effect, right? So maybe I'll put some in my tea. What do you guys think? What's up, Tom? Tom the trader is here. We missed our Wednesday, our bi-weekly Wednesday stream. So let me know when you want to do another stream, Tom. That'd be awesome. The whole bottle. You guys are crazy. No worries, no worries. At least oil's going up, right? The industry's good. Under your tongue and no talking for a minute. So, but you got it OSO on fire. Under my tongue? How am I supposed to run a stream when I'm not talking? Is it bad if I put it in tea, or does that not work? Like I can't put it in my tea and just sip on it? How do I get CBD in the UK? Norbert, what's up? Hopefully you hit that like button and we'll secretly tell you. I don't know. I think you can order it online. So anyway, sorry guys. We'll at least put something on the screen that makes sense. You know what, guys? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a drop underneath my tongue and see how it goes. We'll put like a drop underneath my tongue, or I'll put a drop underneath my tongue, and then yeah. No, okay, don't worry. I'm not gonna do that. So for anyone who's watching YouTube regulators, this is CBD that I bought at the store here in Canada. There's absolutely no THC in it. It's not gonna alter my mental state, but we'll try out a little bit. Tastes very interesting, guys. No, we're not gonna do THC drops. I hope it just relaxes me. That's what I'm really looking for. Every stream I'm sober. Don't forget that. It's kind of got a sweet taste, but very interesting. Okay, Agra. We're holding it. Wow. Crazy. Mm-hmm. One more minute. Come on. It's a minute. Some sales going on. No. Excuse me. I wanted to try CBDs for the longest time because my trainer, he uses CBDs and he told me to buy it. $50 a bottle. There's 600 milligrams in here. But if I was selling it, I'd be like, guys, link in the description. Check out their awesome products. But I don't think you can buy this stuff online, so maybe one day we'll make Departures Capital CBDs. If I don't know how that works though, if you need a license or whatever. What we got? So I took for 600 milligrams. That's not bad. Yeah. Drop, LOL, Tika, and sip, brother. So I'll put another tiny bit in my teacup. We'll see how it tastes. I only put about 1/3 of the dropper under my tongue. So apparently you need a full dropper. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll put 1/3 of a dropper in a little bit. And then we'll get back to our regular scheduled content. This stuff kind of tastes sweet. Yeah, I'm trying out CBDs right now. We'll see how they go. I made my tea look a little bit milky. Doesn't really change the taste. Oh. The brand is ISO Nectar. ISO Nectar. Apparently it's made locally. So yeah. isonectar.ca. Cool. Yeah. isonectar.ca. Alright, so we'll get back to the markets. Wall Street declines on global growth yield curve concerns. So let's take a look and see what's pushing the markets down, because we're seeing quite a sell-off. Manufacturing sector caused concern over global growth slowdown. U.S. Treasury yield curve inversion caused jitters. So this is something that's been a pretty big concern. You're good at supporting the legal market, or LOL not. Sorry. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I already got 100 and holy smokes, 12 people. Let's see if we can get this stream to 100 likes by the end. The yield curve, this is very concerning. The 10-year yield is dropping off like no tomorrow. So you're going to see as the 10-year note drops, the yield curve is going to continue to invert. This is signs of a possible recession. But I simply want to take a look at one more stock. This is non-cannabis related, but this is going to be big stuff. The US banks are starting to tank. So why is this important? Because the financial sector holds everything together. So I've been selling financials throughout this rally, left, right, and center, and looking to dump the rest of my positions. I think I sold at least 10 to 15% of my portfolio, which was in financials, and I might have about 5% left. But I've been seriously looking to sell almost all my financials. I just want to look at the last one. Yeah, some of the best calls have been to sell Bank of America at I'm just gonna have to see if we're still up on this one. First National Financial Corp. Come on. Because I think we will continue to drop. Although this one's fairly defensive. It's held in there pretty well. But any type of bank, like this one's great because it pays such a fat dividend, 6%. That's actually a pretty decent chart since January. Chum looking good on the pullback. I wish I knew retail. Good. Confident enough on it. Iron house prices crashing in Canada. Smash that like button for Departures Capital. Thank you, Neurosis. So house prices aren't crashing. I'd say it depends on the market because you can't just say Canada as a whole. Out west in the oil sector, the prices of housing did crash. Recovery now. In southwestern Ontario, it's like our market's got some good support. But we're definitely in debt and prices are high, and it's definitely a concern. But I wouldn't say the prices are crashing. We've seen our market dip in 2017, but picked right back up. I just need to check on one stock down. Pekka. Usually a long holder. What's on full alert today? Mario Beebs. I concentrated on one stock and watched it level 2 religiously all day trading. So I'm just logging in for 1 sec. I just want to check and see where we're at. First National, though, I'm really surprised by this company. It has, I think it's outperformed the Canadian banks. Let me just check. So we still have Bank of Nova Scotia. Just trying to see what else we got here. CIBC, small position though. That's good to know. A, B, C, D, E, F. FSD Pharma, down 24%. Thank God I only bought $400 worth of that one. Let's see. Wow. IGNG is not on full alert. Sorry, must be in the other portfolio. 1 second. Okay. This song's kind of crappy. Let's change it. When money moves, you see it in re. How's James Wagner doing? A, B, C, D, E, F. First National. Damn, we're still up 12% on First National. That's a tough one. Where is it sitting right now? 30.95. It's right by its 52-week highs. I know this is unrelated to cannabis, guys. I'm just doing some of my own research. But I just want to check one quick thing, if you don't mind. I want to compare this one to the different Canadian banks. BMO. And what's the last one? RBC. RY. Yeah, so the financials pretty much move in tandem. Pretty much the same. First National, though, has outperformed recently by about 6 full percent. You know, that's probably because they're the dividend aspect. It's a higher yielding company. It's a tough one. I just want to compare it to another CU. Canadian Utilities. FTS. Damn. Fortis has out. See, oh, look at that. Look at the massive outperformance in utility stocks versus the financials. All I've been buying is defensive utility stocks and selling financials all day. One more company we're going to add to this. NWH. There we go. Where are we on this chart? We're in the pink. All right. Enough of that. I just wanted to run a couple of quick comparisons. Now we'll get to the chat. Don't need a job. Use profits for rental homes. DG. David James. That's what's up. Soon folks will start paying attention, like I keep saying all week. To purchase Capital BMO upgraded their platform today. Some new cool features like intraday VWAP. I'll have to check it out. When we departing to the moon? It's a good question. That's a good question, Norbert. Nice to have you back in here. Yep, still holding, looking maybe to add. Is the US in in the US there's no volume. I'm just getting to comments now. G-Tech. All right, let's take a look at another stock on Tom's watch list. G-Tech. You can tell us about it. It's okay. Love that full alert song. Busy trading. What copper company did you buy? Ooh, that's a great question. Madmen avoided black hole territory. Yes, sir, it did. And we stuck with it. So we're making some nice gains on Madmen today. That's what I like to see, especially when the market's so red. So Madmen's holding us together. Let's see what else we got in our fictional portfolio. AQN, what do you know? Green on a red day. Fortuna Silver, biggest holding in the silver sector. Welltower, utility select sector. These are all stocks in the green. Alamos, Kinross, Wheaton, Precious Metals, Canadian Utilities. Running. How is it that my portfolio is in the green every single red day? Sorry guys, I'm just a little happy. Oh man. Let's see what's in the red today. Oh, that's the only thing that's lagging me. Aurora Cannabis. Thank God I sold Manulife. And then the financials. Financials are Good morning, IGNG. Some dude on Twitter who shilled VFF for 2 years and was totally correct on being it way undervalued. So, off that, now we're going to get to G-Tech Holdings. Let's take a look at G-Tech Holdings. Tom? First, I'm going to read the profile for anybody who doesn't know about the company like myself. Formerly Black Birch Capital Acquisition 3 Corp. is a Canada-based company that is engaged in the alternate medicine sector. Comprised of a number of cultivation facilities under Health Canada's access to cannabis for medical purposes regulations, G-Tech Holdings Limited is focused on growing craft cannabis in purpose-built indoor facilities. The company holds interest in the Green Tech Biopharmaceuticals Corp., Tumbleweed, Falcon Ridge, Alberta Craft Cannabis, formerly known as Granitech Farms, Inc., Grey Bruce Farms, Xenolatic Laboratories. Okay, so it's a holding company. That's pretty cool. So your price target is $2.59. I just finished the last of my CBD tea. So we'll see how we're feeling soon. Still feeling pretty good. Got a weird taste in my mouth, but that's all right. Suniva's managing to hold on to $5. I don't know what happened yesterday though. Trying to figure this out. Lots of consolidation going on around 5. Chungli Shu. What's up? What's up, Chungli Shu? Did I say that right? Chungli Shu. You used to that. I'm not long yet. Okay, cool. Yes. My Chinese pronunciation is still manageable. That's cool. Stop brushing your teeth with hot dogs. That's so nasty. Good Friday, y'all. We're making some money today. The market's not making a lot of people any money, but there's a few more things I want to take a look at. I want to take a look at the most active, the trending stocks. So commodity wise, gold's of course in the green, but we got the biggest gainer on the day is oats. Oats and lean hogs. Now we never talk about that stuff, but we got gold in the green. So gold is catching a safe haven bid as the markets are tanking. Yields are dropping. The yield curve's inverting. I didn't buy into the rally yesterday. We went up for no reason pretty much. But I'll just always have that little bearish element to my opinion. So gold's up to 1312. Steadily climbing. It's had a little bit of a rough time recently, but we'll see where it goes from here. So most active stocks: Twitter, Tiffany & Co, Levi, Home Depot, Apple, Facebook, AT&T. That's all we're seeing in the green. Lots more red. Nokia is the biggest decliner on the day. Nike, Citigroup, Bank of America. Banks are selling off extremely hard. Banks were in the red yesterday on a massive green day. They're further in the red today. I think financials are going to fall quite a bit more. Pretty bearish on U.S. banks. We'll see if Bank of America gets back down into the mid to low 20s. Frank Bellamy, what's up? GGB mall deal. We'll get to all that stuff. I'm just talking about a few other sectors. All right. Trending stocks. Look at that bloodbath. THY. What's THY? These gotta be international trending stocks. Yeah, sorry. That was worldwide stocks. Come on. Someone screwed this up. Because that's not US stocks. Oh well. Apple still made it to the list. Ianthus Capital Holdings. Damn, Ianthus Capital Holdings up another 3%. Holy. Man. That's crazy. Namaste's in the green today? Up 1.47%. To be real honest, I would wait for a pullback at these levels. Lots of good ones overbought. Yeah, Dan, I'm completely on board with you right there. It was pretty easy to see the pullback coming for Aurora Cannabis. I mean, I didn't take profits, but I do expect it to pull back some more. Momentum faded up nice and slow, and then we started to tip, and now we're starting to accelerate. I think we could see 1150. We'll see what happens. We'll see how fast the markets sell off. That was one other thing I wanted to quickly take a look at. Wow. Part of the yield curve inverts as 3-month yield drops tops 10-year rate. Key US yield curve measurement inverts for the first time since 2007. So this is something that you guys laser focused in the cannabis sector need to watch. This is like the real stuff that's gonna cause the pullback that you guys might not see coming. I want to pull up the chart for the yield curve though. Let's see here. Yeah. There should be a yield curve generator. This is crap. I don't want to see this. Okay, date and data center, international, blah, 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 blah. No. There's a really great website that shows the yield curve on here. Daily Treasury yield curve rates. Oh, the same crap. Yield curve, Guru Focus. Please be the right one. US yield curve. We just want to compare the 2-year and the 10-year. Where's the 2-year? Okay. So guys, this is what we're looking at. Okay, so the 10-year, I don't know if you guys know what the heck I'm doing, but here, we'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. So this is the current yield curve, right? We've got the US 2-year note at 2.4%, and we've got the US 10-year note at 2.54%. 2.4. 2.54, so we're 14 basis points away from a flat yield curve. Look. So this shows the length. This shows the duration of the past recessions, where the yield curve's been, and what happened after it inverted. So yield curve inverts, it went into a recession. Yield curve inverts, went into a recession. Yield curve inverts in 2006, 2007, 2008. So it looks like we still got some room to go. Looks like we still got some room to go, but that is one thing to watch substantially. We're going to see financials drop like crazy. Next song. Okay. Let's read this article quickly. Part of the yield curve inverts as 3-month yield tops 10-year rate. U.S. government debt yields added to the week's steep losses on Friday as bond traders lost confidence in the strength of the U.S. and global economies just after the Federal Reserve downgraded its own forecast. So that doesn't sound that promising. The recent downturn in long-term debt yields triggered an inversion of part of the Treasury yield curve, the plot of interest rates at a set point in time of bonds having equal credit quality but differing maturity dates. The curve is considered an important recession indicator. So, anywho, don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but just something to keep on our watch list. ACB is down 4.3%. Siniva is down to $5. MedMen is up 6%. That's it. MedMen's been dropping like a rock since that announcement came out. So we'll see if we can hold on to a buck 420. 420. So guys, sorry about that. I'm back to the comments. I'll take comments now, whatever we're looking at. Let me know what you guys are looking at. You sold MedMen this morning. TRQ. All right. DG E-Trade gave me E-Trade Pro for free because I trade a lot. Yeah, sure. All right, Ron. So let's take a look at TRQ. Thanks for the recommendation. Turquoise Hill Resources. This might be on our watch list already, but I want to read about the company one more time. We're going to take our last dose of CBD. I don't know if any of you guys use CBD, but I'm trying it out for the day. Just do a little bit more. We'll see if it has an effect. That feels weird. CBD is not a stoner activity. Let's let it sit for 1 minute. Okay, I guess I can still talk. Turquoise Hill Resources is an international mining company. Copper gold mine. Ooh. Add that to the list. Funny guy. Where is it? No, I'm not. So CBD takes about 1 to 2 hours to kick in. Cool. So well, then hopefully we'll see that effect later on in the day then, or after the stream. I'll let you guys know how I feel later. Took a tiny bit last night. Pretty good stuff. But yeah, so where the heck is this? Oil? No, we were gonna add that to our copper portfolio. Copper's selling off nicely. TRQ, Turquoise Hill Resources, we're gonna add that because it's a copper and gold miner. Everything's selling off. Trilogy, yeah. Positive effects, I'd say just my trainer uses it for recovery, so I'm gonna try it for, he swears by it for recovery, stress, anxiety, all those kind of things. I don't really have that much of a problem when it comes to that, but he said it just makes you feel better, so that's what I'm gonna try, or that's what I'm hoping to achieve. So we'll see how it goes. ACB down 5% now. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so taking a look at the markets. Yeah, we saw a substantial drop off. Big drop in the S&P. But that was after yesterday's crazy run, so it's hard to say what's next. It's a tough one. It will make you chill for sure, for show. For shoe. $250 million. What's up? McNally Investing. Yeah, my friend uses CBD isolate. I got the CBD liquid. It's already mixed, but I heard you can easily mix the CBD liquid, so. Interesting. All right, so what else we got here, guys? Yeah, there's not too much stuff we're looking at today. I mean, our defensive portfolio is doing all right. At least in terms of the power companies, you know, ATCO, Canadian Utilities, Hydro One, Fortis, Algonquin. That stuff's in the green. And the more defensive healthcare trusts are doing all right too. Sounds terrible. You put it on your tongue or in water and stir. It's awesome. Yeah, so I just put it under my tongue for a minute. That's what I was trying to get, the quickest absorption. And then I put a tiny bit in my tea. So I'm going to do 1 dropper, I guess 1 to 2 droppers a day. Distillate cartridges. Not now, but 5 months ago. Wonder who's going to supply CBD isolate in Canada rec market. Yeah, that's interesting. Living the dream with Agra. Will it turn into a nightmare? Agra's one that's on fire. Agra Flora just kept running. Nothing looks to be stopping this stock right now. Just a straight shoot. Man, from 11 cents to 85 cents. Yes, sir, DG. It always got recognition, but yeah, Norbert's right. I think right now FOMO is real. That's right. Tea shots. I got a really interesting tea in this one today. It's like this stuff is so good. What's up, Hiro Naka? You guys are awesome. I'm actually feeling a little tired today. I think it's because I didn't do as many shots of tea, and I didn't drink my coffee either. Oh! Yeah. We got quite a few more people joined today. We got... Just trying to check our... Let's just look through our Discord group here. Maybe... Excuse me, let's check our Facebook group. Oh, why am I looking at Facebook? Two people want to join. Okay, no new memes recently, guys. Though we need to get some more memes going. Kyle Lowe, what's up, Kyle? If you're in the stream, you've been approved. Approve all. Approve all. There we go. VRUS, another one kept screaming up again. CVSI full alert. We'll take a quick look. Yeah, so the markets are heavily selling off, down 90.97%. Interesting. I don't have my cup. One thing I definitely say with the CBDs, I definitely feel relaxed, but more alert in a way, if that makes any sense. Like, I feel like I can think clearly, more clearly, without having so, like, bunch of different thoughts on my mind. I don't know if that's an effect of it. Like, what effects do you guys get when you take CBDs? What's your most common, like, noticeable effect? Because it doesn't make you stoned. But apparently it works different for everybody too. Our bodies having systems, so CBDs work in harmony with our bodies. Just society been telling us for ages cannabis is bad. I feel nothing. CBDs have no soul. You got a sense of humor, Norbert. Actually, you're pretty funny. I bought more ACB, especially PepsiCo and Modelo's by a sizable stake in ACB. Yeah, so if ACB pulls back like a little bit more, maybe to, I don't want to get FOMO too early. Because I feel like the market could pull back a little bit more. That is a decent little dip for ACB. So, yeah, Norbert, it's funny. But no, what were we looking at? I wanted to look at Cron as well. Because Cron's one of those stocks with a super lofty valuation, but they've got a deal. So I just want to see how it's performing on a super red day. Yeah, we're seeing ACB down more than Cron. Cron's been holding on to those gains pretty nicely. But it does look like it's kind of teetering right now. Massive volume spike here on that move up. All right, guys. Yeah, so Cron looks to be holding on. What do you guys think about Cron? Think it's going to just keep running? We're definitely seeing some consolidation with Cron right now. Lofty, lofty valuations. Yeah, I just feel more like relaxed and focused, pretty much, I would say. It's weird working out when you take it, kind of. Maybe just because I'm not used to it. Sure, I'll take a look at Kieran. Defensive. This? That's jokes. Who knows, man? It takes some. Take some more. No, I'm not taking any more. That'd be trippy. Kieran Life Sciences finally made it to $4. Holy, yeah, the CBD is definitely kicking in. We're gonna have fortune telling properties. Tell you guys all the best stocks. That's not funny, guys. You guys are trying to play games with me. All right, let's look at Kieran Life Sciences. $4 almost. $3.99. That's been a nice steady climb. Holding it together. Cup and handle. Yeah, we did see that. We did see a cup and handle pattern. We saw a cup and handle pattern there. We saw a cup and handle pattern twice. You know, one thing that's interesting about Kieran is it's ran so much, yet the market cap's still only $360 million. You can't win them all. The main thing is that you found it before and you made profit on it. So Kieran was one of those stocks that I was talking about that I did think could just keep running, but I never bought it either. Well, I never bought it. I don't know, man. I don't want to risk my channel getting like a community guidelines strike. I don't know how that works, or if they'll just demonetize it, or however it works. I don't know. I've never, like, I just don't want to affect, I don't want to like risk my channel, that's all. Mark Moore, I won't sell ACB. Yeah, I don't plan to sell any ACB either, but if it dips lower, I might add a little bit. Although it's kind of annoying adding when it's already above $10. Should have added at 9, honestly. But can't win them all. Vape Cannabis. Yeah, we'll see. Wait a sec though. The Midas Letter smoked a joint in one of his videos. In the studio. He went outside on King Street, smoked a joint. So, that must be okay. I don't know, we'll see. I'll think about it, but not right now. Yeah. James is a funny guy. He's a really funny guy. Joker. When I hit 15K subs? Yeah, maybe. I think we're almost at 13 now. Almost at 13. Let's check. Yeah, 12.81. So 190 more to go. Boston Lloyd injected steroids. That's crazy. I guess there's a lot of stuff people do. But yeah, anyways, guys. So another thing. What's up, Steve? You're finally here. This weekend, I'm going to be doing a video on copper mining companies. We're going to be doing a bunch of research on copper and copper mining companies. I'll put out a video as I want to invest in copper. I've never ever used steroids. And I didn't buy TRUL, but I think that's a good one. Just 4 dislikes. It's not that bad. We got 74 likes, so it's not that bad. I'm happy though today. Today I don't have as much shooting to do. I just need to simply edit videos pretty much all day. So it's gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be a productive day. IGNG shorting likes. What's up? I hate how overall market has been so rocky in the early days of the Canadian pot market. At least ACB's prices are relatively low still, so hopefully won't crash too much. Where do you think Apple is going? I like intermittent fasting and high protein diets. Yes, Mark. Honestly, that's my life. Intermittent fasting works really great for me because if I eat now at lunch, I gotta sit at this desk all day and work and stuff. So I eat like between 7 and 12 a.m. at night. That's it. High protein. Good stuff, Mark. 20 hours only water daily. Okay, so Apple. Sorry, we got that question. We'll take a quick look at Apple. Stupid thing is Apple rallied 4% yesterday, and it's not even down on the day today. So interesting. You about to kill. Eat your veggies. No, intermittent fasting works really well for me because I find like I don't get those, after you eat a big meal, you get really sleepy. That doesn't happen. Just drink tea. Steve's on that kind of diet. That would be a... Yeah, exactly, James. It does make you sluggish when you eat all day, especially if you eat lots of carbs. Intermittent fasting, 16 hours on, 8 hours off. 8 hours being eating. That's pretty... that's a really great diet. I like to do 18 and 6 or 19 and 5. It's a little harder, but depends on how the day goes. Friggin'... I mean, Apple looks like it's doing all right, to be honest. I want to look at a few other stocks. See what the Chinese tech's doing. No, exactly. You do feel sharp. I can put on more muscle than you in 2 months. Steve, you look like you're a pretty strong fella. What are you benching? CBOE suspends Bitcoin futures. Beginning of the end for cryptocurrencies. I wonder what happened today. This beats garbage. Bitcoin's up 1% on that news. Okay, so that news really didn't have much. Why is that, Steve? Why is your right arm so big? Look into Share of International if you think nickel's gonna be hot. But let me accumulate more before you buy. Share it. Thank you. I'm really looking for a nickel play, so let's take a look at it. All right, perfect. 100% adding this to the watch list. Thank you. Engage in the mining and refining of nickel and cobalt from leveraging ores with projects and operations in Canada, Cuba, and Madagascar. The company segments include metals, oil and gas, power, and corporate and other. The metal includes mining, processing, and refining nickel and cobalt from the lateritic ore bodies through the partnership with General Nickel Company of Cuba. Let's see how the stock's done. 43 cents. Man, this is a nice looking one. I'll have to do a little bit more research on this one, but holy crap. So low right now. 52-week range of 36 cents to $1.32. What are some good? All right, modern Modesto. I will take a look at that in a second. First Majestic Silver. I'll give you a quick little, I don't know how much you tune into my channel, but let's see here. So first off, Modesto. Take a look at this video. Not this video. So this dude started First Majestic Silver. He's the founder and chairman of First Mining Gold, but he started First Majestic Silver. So just, there's the link if you want to watch that video. That's his outlook on the sector, but he's like the guy who started the company. But yeah, so I'll check out the chart for you though. We own First Majestic Silver. I like the company. First Majestic's looking really good right now though. We're testing resistance for the third time, and I think we're gonna break out finally. So I think First Majestic has a decent amount of upside, at least like 20-30% in the short term. We're already up quite substantially on First Majestic, I believe. Bought it somewhere around 6 or 7. So that's what? 30%? 40%? Send a pic to your private Discord. Look at those traps. Steve's sending nudes. One sec. Let's see what Steve's got going on. Dang, Steve. Those gotta be 30-inch buys. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Not only is Steve a strong trader, but he's Mr. Olympia. Nudes and you run to see it. It's all about the traps, nothing else matters. That's right, guys. I'm gonna start doing shrugs every day on live stream. Oh man. All right. Welcome to chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines. Takes a lot of shoulders to lift my CGC holdings. I just go to the gym to see the girls in tights. I don't even know how to lift. You're just the Jay Malicious. You're just the guy who sits on the machine and looks like he's doing something. Put 10 pounds on the thing and look at it. Share it. Okay, so share it international. This one looks pretty. Chart looks pretty compelling. I want to do more research on this. Good morning. Happy Friday. Check out United Battery Metals. It may be on a rebound. UBM. Let's do it. 7 cents. Oh. Damn, I almost want to just throw something in there just for fun. Why did this stock tank like that? Why did this stock go from $1.32 to 6 cents? Norbert's hilarious, guys. That's a good one. So who knows why UBM tanked? I'm curious, because the chart looks pretty good. Binding term sheet for a senior secured convertible credit facility of $250 million from GGP. The orange teacup is right here, but I've got this clay teacup. I wanted to switch it up a little bit, but we still got the orange one. Don't worry. The orange ones. I'll do one more shot. It looks like garbage. My teacup looks like garbage, or the chart looks like garbage. The market's taking a crap today. Yeah, Steve, I'm pretty sure you got a few pounds on me, buddy. What you should do though is you should fly down to Niagara and then we can hang out. If ACB went to $8 Canadian, I'd buy ACB. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. But I don't think it's going to go that low unless we see like another crazy December sell-off, which could happen. I mean, markets look pretty shaky right now, to be honest. I think the recent rally was BS. Can't. I want to go to the 420 thing, but I'll be in Maui that week. Tough week, Steve. It's a tough life. I'm gonna go to Maui later this year probably to shoot some fun vids and relax. Where do you like to go in Maui? I was in Maui last year or the year before. Last year. Hawaii is one of my favorites places in the US. Damn. Yeah, we are. Let's see here. We're gonna recap a few more things and then we are gonna head out eventually. Whoa. When I went to Maui, I stayed at the Grand Hyatt and the Four Seasons. It was pretty cool. I like the Four Seasons the best. But the Hyatt was pretty good. Is it the Hyatt? I think so. Sorry, this is not stock related. Lahaina. No, Canopy. Yeah, this is it. Hyatt Regency, sorry. What the hell? How do you say that? It was a big property though. It was pretty good. But they've got a bunch of hotels in Maui. The coolest one was shoot. Has anyone been to Kauai? Kauai got like destroyed by the crazy storm. It was pretty sad, but this was a pretty cool one too. I don't know why they don't have this. Many times top Kauai. This hotel was a little bit old, but it was pretty interesting. The St. Regis is always cool. It did have a pretty cool view though. Small beach, but nice views. Old hotel. It's a cool little golf course. Anyway, sorry about that. Didn't want to get too distracted, but obviously it's my stream, so we can have fun, talk about whatever we want. I've stayed in Wailea. Wailea Beach is beautiful. I love Wailea Beach. Honestly, Maui was probably my favorite island. Sorry, I just want to look at one more thing. Let's just talk about what we're going to do with all of our ACB profits. So, I'm just trying to think. Right here up in Kapalau, there's a really nice beach to the, I think it's right in and around here. Right by the Hyatt. But did anyone drive the road to Hana? The road to Hana was insane. It's like, I think I drove like this whole portion of Maui. It took 7 hours. Over 600 turns. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah. CBD focused on going on vacation. You're super lucky, Nevada Tucker. I've got no trips planned. Maybe something for my birthday. It's just grind every day until then. Yeah, 7 days a week. I have no plans to go on any trips, maybe until my birthday. It's okay. But you still got your phone, so you can still potentially tune in. I mean, you know the time, so feel free to drop in and say hi on your phone. Namaste is the biggest gainer on the day now, up 7.35%. What a surprise. I like the moving average indicator that Cyberworld has added to his charts. I'll take a look at his videos. I haven't been on Cyberworld's channel for a little while, but that's pretty simple for me to do if you do like the moving average. So one thing I can easily do for you guys when I'm looking at the full chart, candles, bam, RSI, bam, and then moving average. So I don't know if you guys like that. What do you think of Corbus Pharma? Take a look in a sec. Do you like the Nelk Boys on YouTube? I do like the Nelk Boys on YouTube, but my favorite YouTuber is Cassidy Campbell. Hands down, Cassidy Campbell is my man. Like, he's so funny. Oh my gosh, his redneck impression kills me every single video. You need to see when the MA meets middle. Okay, yeah, I kind of get what you're saying. Don't plan on buying any more ACB today. Do I surf? I don't really surf. I tried one time in Cuba, but it was a fail, an epic fail. But I like. Sorry, I just got a text message. It's an arrow. It's an arrow hitting. So anyways, guys, let me just see. I'll check the chat for a little bit more. Okay. Yes, sir, the market is confused. So, guys, I just wanted to do a quick survey. We do have 100 people in here, so you guys are my core peoples. You guys are my dedicated people. So I wanted to ask you guys one thing. There's a link to the Discord group. Join it if you. That's not what I want to ask you though. Join it if you haven't joined it already. But let's see here. What I wanted to say was, do you want me to structure my streams better? Do you want to see more coverage? Do you like when I freestyle? I just want to know if it's working for you guys. Okay, so keep it wild. Freestyle. All right. Keep it the way it is. Okay. Freestyle over a beat off the top. Okay. What's a Discord group and how do you become a member? So, John here, I'll just post the link one more time. So, I'll show you what the Discord group is. Do what you do. It's your game. Just so John, if you click that link, it's gonna take you. I'll click it for you. So you click on that link, it's gonna take you to here. This is a Discord group. All you do is click accept invite, and then open link. Basically, it's gonna. If you have the app, it's gonna take you into the app. If you don't have the app, you're gonna go into this, and this is our group. There's 300 members in here. We talk about stocks all day. Pretty much everybody's inside. Doug likes to post these interesting GIFs all the time. When you've never been to the gym before. So it's like our community. It's just funny. And we talk about trades, obviously. We get straight to business stuff. Namaste's making a nice little bounce here. But like we're seeing all this kind of stuff. So yeah. I watch you every day. Keep it up. I like the green screen upgrade. Perfect. Yes, I skipped Facebook. Great. Another tab open. Jesus, you're killing my OCD. Sorry, Steve. We'll close off a couple of those for you. Hope that makes you feel better. How's that, Steve? We got one tab open now. We got one tab for you. Tea's starting to kick in. Finally, I was a little bit sluggish. Okay, great. I'm in the process of joining. Good stuff, John. And honestly, my goal for the Discord group is to build a community. We all help each other. We all talk about what we're trading, offer advice. Entertainment. I want entertainment. That's why I like memes. That's why I like funny stuff. GIFs. You know, you go to the group when you're trading. If there's a lull in the day, you want some excitement, you message the group and say, yo, Steve, tell me something funny. And he's going to send you like something inappropriate, but you're going to laugh probably. That's a good estimate, Alex. You know, because trading can be a lonely game if you're by yourself. If you're by yourself sitting on your computer, focusing on those millions, but you got no one to enjoy it with. Keep the appropriate stuff for TV. Keep YouTube wild. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to build, guys. A community here. We all help each other. We've got some very experienced traders in here with that are investing tons of money. So it's cool. Thank you, Spartacus. I appreciate the $10 donation. I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you for supporting Departures Capital. It's every little bit means everything to me, and I'll try and keep it fun for you guys. I think I'll keep doing Departures Capital forever. So, you know, it's kind of funny. I asked my friend, I was like, he's like, don't you want to like do more things? And I was like, no, I want to grow Departures Capital. I was like, even if I made like $100 million, I would still live stream every day. But from today onwards, because that weekends are scared of not on file, SP might go to 65 cents. Yeah, so. Well, I'm glad you guys like it. That's all I can say. I'm glad you guys are having a good time. I'm glad I can provide some, whether it be entertainment, whether it be knowledge, whether it be a connection, you know. Maybe you guys made a connection with someone here on the channel. That's all the stuff that I want. Unless you are a welfare bum, but welfare bums don't really try to hustle or make money to begin with. Sure, we all need a job and to get up to do something. You might do a fundraising day. So, with that being said, I want to take a look one more time at our defensive portfolio. So this was a portfolio that I put together specifically for times like what we might see when the market gets bumpy. And these are just some stocks to watch. Canadian Utilities, biggest gainer on the day. This has been my #1 pick for 2019. This is the only utility stock I've been buying, and I think I bought it 4 or 5 times. So, always talking about it. Algonquin back up to $15. Extendicare in the green. So, as you guys can see, all these stocks, every single one of them are outperforming the market. Brookfield Real Estate down 0.5% after a 4% gain yesterday. No problem. NI. Which stock is that? Knee source. Looks like a utility stock, $10.5 billion market cap. Energy holding company. Distribution of natural gas. The company operates two business segments, gas distribution and electric operations. So one thing I found is the US utility stocks, a lot of them are, they're riding extremely high. Right around 52-week highs. What people don't see is everybody's been buying utility cos. Like their valuations are up there. But yes, sir, Ed bought some Freeport recently. FCX, I really like FCX. Very bullish on FCX. I was buying it back when it was around 10 bucks. I think it was around here. Recently bought a little bit, but I wish I waited till today to buy some on the dip, but it's okay. Recharging battery. Good day, Aaron. Yes, sir. See you later. Thank you. My EI died and was curious about it. Ha. So, yeah, guys. I want to look at the cannabis sector one more time. Give me 1 second. Yep, so we're seeing Medman up 6.5%, Namaste up 7.3%. Not too much in the green. We are seeing more stocks in the red for the cannabis sector. But that's just the kind of day it is today. It's the kind of day where you just want to chill, wait for the weekend. What's everybody up to this weekend, though? Honestly, when it comes to utilities, I am holding off. Like, I'm holding. Yeah, I'm still pretty bearish on the markets. I do think that, who knows, we could get some more positive news on the trade war. I think we got some more stuff in the cards to keep the markets propped up there. But we can't beat the fact that the yield curve is inverting. And that the Fed is scared. When the Fed's scared, I'd be very cautious. But S&P's taking it today. S&P's taking it hard today. What's up, Brownie Iverson? What's going on? Will it be severe? Not too sure. If we break below 2,800 again, 2,805, something like that, I don't know. We could see, it could be concerning. Could be very concerning, so we'll see. But yeah, just a typical Friday sell-off. I don't expect anything too crazy, but the markets do look like they're ready to sell off today. We saw a slight bounce, but not too much of a bounce. I want to look at the shorter term charts just a little bit. Yeah, so that consistent head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see where we close on the day. Sell, sell, sell. I don't usually prefer from boat when it's hot out. I have family visiting, so that's why I am. I've never been ice fishing. All right. So, guys, it's now 11:30. First off, I wanted to take a quick second to thank Spartacus once again for the super chat. I really appreciate everything all the support, everybody who joined the Discord group. It's just been crazy. Like, I didn't expect to have almost 350 people in there already. So let's keep this growing. So yes, I will be heading out in like a minute. But is there anything else you guys would like me to take a look? Is there anything else I can do for you guys before I leave? Loan. Give you a loan. Sorry, man. Is loan a stock? Manhattan Bridge Capital? Okay. Leave me alone. Never heard of the company, but let's take a look. So we'll do this one, MSIG, and we'll be back this afternoon, guys. Don't worry. We'll be back this afternoon. Real estate finance company that specializes in originating services and managing a portfolio of first mortgage loans. Okay. Designed to generate risk-adjusted returns across a range of market conditions and economic cycles. A loan portfolio includes various construction loans. 2 employees? What's wrong? What? $61 million market cap. Let's see what we got here. Wow. That's a great looking chart. Very small cap company, and they pay 7.6%. Wow. Sorry, guys. I messed up. Refund Capital Corp. All right, guys, we'll get to that stock as well. Oops. Shut up, Steve. Whatever. Red Fund Capital Corp. Sorry, I read that wrong. I said Refund Capital Corp. It's an interesting chart. Let's take a look. Top tier incubator and accelerator. These kind of companies do have a lot of potential to make a lot of money. This is essentially what, like a venture capital angel investing firm? It's a go-to lender. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Top tier incubator accelerator. Peace. Uh-oh. James from Midas said on air he is in love. No liquid in refund. Red fund. I guess it's red fund actually. I read that wrong. Red fund. And their ticker symbol is loan. That's hilarious. Chart looks pretty good now after that massive sell-off. I wonder what happened. Massive crazy volatility. Look at this. 15 cents to 50 cents to 18 cents to 69 cents back down to 20 cents. Wow. So there's that one. There was Aphria Health. That was another one that I saw on the request list. Damn, Aphria is not moving today. I was looking to pick up Aphria around $2 if it gets that low. But it looks like we're holding on today so far. So we'll see. No worries. No worries, Hiro Naka. Always try to do my best for you guys. Yeah, so I think Aphria is going to go a tiny bit lower, but I think we could see some support right around $2. Low, $2. Anywho, guys, it's been an hour and a half, so I'm going to head out. But I'll stream later today. I'll post it up when it's going to go live. That's pretty much it. So once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. Chat in the Discord group. That's how we can talk when I'm not on live. So thanks, guys. If I don't see you in the next stream, have a happy weekend. And go buy some new black shirts. It's a great idea. This isn't even a Departures Capital shirt. I'm slacking. Smash the like button. Oh, shoot. How could I forget this? What's the last thing we do at every one of our streams? Yo. What's the last thing we do at every stream? You gotta post a link to the Discord group. Tom, you're late. I'm just about to leave. That's the wrong one. Yes, sir, the Discord group. All right, guys. So I'm out of here for now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.